working, not working, not working!
Hey, it's Todd Ault, and you're probably tuning in for a show today, which you're not going to see for about 2 weeks. It doesn't take a brain surgeon to figure out why. Unfortunately, some people in our office have been taken with COVID, and so they are not able to attend the office setting and not able to help us produce our show. We wish the best for everyone who's gotten COVID, who we know at the office. We're taking all the proper precautions necessary. We'll be back in approximately 2 weeks. We'll let you know. Take care, everyone. Be well out there. And obviously, I've already been vaccinated. A lot of people have already been vaccinated and still got COVID. So it is scary times out there for people who have already been vaccinated and get COVID. So I'm fine. I can report that our office is fine. The people in our office are fine. But unfortunately, many people in the office have come down with COVID that are involved in the broadcast and therefore have to be quarantined for 14 days. Take care, everybody. Be well.